Hey there traders, welcome to the Pip Banker Sessions video summary. We're going to give you an idea of what we were doing in the sessions today. We're already into Tuesday, alright, of the week here, and we're looking good so far. The trade setups have been pretty good. Monday was a pretty profitable trade as well. We had some very good trades on Monday, and today we had some very nice entries as well. So let's have a look at the euro dollar here on the different time frames that we have in front of you. And if you have a look at this on the 4-hour, you can see a really clean downtrend looking like it's moving beautifully. And so what we were wanting to do is get in short on this, and we were looking for a break below this pivot and a retest. Unfortunately, we didn't get the retest, but when we were sitting down here, I said to the guys, I'm not so sure that it's going to come back and retest the pivot. So what I want to do personally, I said, is enter a trade here that I'm willing to allow to go into drawdown to that pivot, maybe even a little bit further if it's going to do that. All right, and then enter a remainder of the trade. So enter half my trade here and half the trade up there. Or if it goes ahead and breaks the 22.31 level, go and enter a trade later on, or another logical level. So as we were moving along, the trade got nicely into profit. It came down. It didn't give us a retest at 22.31, but it did give us a breakout retest of the weekly S level here, as you can see, the weekly support level S1. And so we entered the remainder of the trade in there. So as you can see, the first half of the trade looking at 51 pips in profit right now. The second half of the trade, you can see about 4 pips in profit right now. So not too bad. A great looking trade setup. Looks like it's going to continue moving for us. The beauty of this, guys, is that this second half of this trade was entered with zero risk, as the first half of the trade was entered already and had about 54 pips in profit. So a really great looking trade. As you can see, it looks like it wants to pick up and move for us again nicely. So we'll see how that continues. Let's have a look at another trade that we took today. I'm out of it for the moment. Some of the guys are still in it. Have a look at the beautiful breakout retest of the median there, 143.64. Median halfway between the top and the bottom of the range. Breakout retest, beautiful entry for a short. I didn't quite get that entry perfectly, but what I did get was the break of the S1. And as we were moving down here, you could see a 50 odd pips profit. We hit the 42.50 level, and I said to the guys, that's where I'm cutting my trade. Not only are we on the bottom of the range here on the 4-hour, we're also sitting on a weekly S1 at that point in time. Confluence, guys, multiple levels of support. That is always a big deal for me. Gets me out of the trade. I took my profit off the table, and if we break and retest this 42.51 level, that's where I'll be looking to get back in short again. So good logical entries. We don't want to just be jumping in chasing price. We want logical breaks of good entry, of good levels that get us into the trades. So that's what we were doing so far in the London session. Had two really good trades. We've got pips in the bank, and we're looking forward to New York session a little bit later with Ronan. And if you guys want to join us in those sessions, we do London and New York. Pop over to fap-tradershaven.com. We'd love to have you join us in the live Pip Banker sessions. Cheers.